Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Liberty brake light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a new 3157 brake light bulb, and a clean cloth. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Ensure your new bulb matches the old one for proper function, as using the wrong type can cause issues. This simple preparation saves time. With your tools ready, open the rear liftgate of your Jeep Liberty. You'll see two Phillips head screws securing the taillight assembly. Carefully unscrew these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force, revealing the bulb sockets. Now that the taillight assembly is off, locate the brake light bulb socket. Twist it counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old 3157 bulb straight out of the socket. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and push it firmly into place. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the electrical connector and have someone press the brake pedal to confirm the new bulb works. Once confirmed, twist the bulb socket back into the taillight housing clockwise. Carefully slide the taillight assembly back into its position on the vehicle. Reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.